Olivia, and in this video I'm going to talk about my favorite bath and shower products. Now obviously, since I am 8 months pregnant now, that I cannot take baths, so I'll just go over what I used to do and the products that I use, but I still love them and I cannot wait to get back in the bath. So with that being said, let's get started. The first product that I use in the shower, let's talk about my shower gel. Right now I'm using Rahua shower gel. It's rainforest grown, it's organic, it has natural products, it smells amazing. I feel like I'm in a spa. So I use that with my loofah and I am loving it. So I also use for shaving my Skintimate. It's basically just what I use to shave with. Pretty simple. Let's see. For shampoo right now, I have two different, what do you call it? Scents or whatever. But I'm using the OGX, two different shampoos. One is the, I have no idea how to pronounce it. It's Repairing Awapui Ginger Shampoo. And the, much easier to say, Damage Remedy Coconut Miracle Oil Shampoo. I love the way both of them smell. They do really help out. Like, listen, I did my 7-day hair video, and as most of you know, I don't wash my hair every day, probably 1 to 2 times a week. So I use this one probably first, and then I do a second wash as well, because you know, with dry shampoo and the products that I use for those 7 days or 5 days, whatever, you definitely need to do at least 2 washings and then put your conditioner on. As far as conditioner, I am using the Origins Ginger Up conditioner. I love it. You only need a little bit of amount, and even with my long hair, even a little bit of works, and it makes my hair super, you know, soft, and it gets all the tangles out. Loving it, and I love the way it smells too. Ginger is amazing. And then for like an exfoliant, I've been using this Tree Hut, this is Shea Sugar Scrub Pomegranate Acai. I don't know how to say it. Is it Acai? I don't know. Anyway, I'm using this. I love the way it smells. It definitely exfoliates, and in the summer you definitely need that. Even in the winter. Probably more so in the winter because your skin's so dry, but I'm loving it. Love, 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 love this. After all that, before I get out of the shower and before I even towel off, I have been using Johnson's baby oil. And that's just to soak in the water to hydrate my skin. So that's before I even towel off. So I put this on, so inexpensive, smells amazing, and really helps keep your skin soft and keep the moisture in. Then I get out, dab with the towel, and then use this Burt's Bees Vitamin E and Lemon Body Oil. And this also is so amazing. It smells great, natural products, and it keeps my skin super, super soft. It's great for the summer because, you know, if I don't like to lay out, but obviously if you're in the summer, you're gonna get a little bit tan. So this definitely helps with that. And then right after that, I'm using the Aveeno lotion, body lotion. And this scent is vanilla and oats lotion. And then I also have, yeah, this is Apricot and Honey Aveeno body lotion. Love it. So then that's my shower routine. For bath, when I do it, can't wait, I have a month to go. Obviously I put, let's see, I'm using fresh Sugar Lychee Sugar Bath. Look, it's halfway done. I gotta buy some more soon. But I just put like 1, sometimes 2 of these little cubes in to dissolve. And it's really great, I love it. The other thing I put in is like essential oils, and right now that's next to my bath. I have eucalyptus, I have tea tree, I have lavender, I have peppermint, and this is from Aveeno. This I got from Amazon, tea tree. And I'll put all these products in my down below and also in my website reneeolivia.com as well. Also, I use this Muscle Soak Himalayan pink salt. Himalayan salt, it's not pink. And I just sprinkle that in the water. Smells amazing and really relaxes me. And then this I'm just starting to use, or right before I got pregnant. It's the Marinella Body Cavier. So what I was doing is when I'm soaking in the tub, I'll rub it on, like my legs, my arms, my chest, let it sit there for a little bit, and then rinse it all off, and then the stuff does get in the water, and then again sinks into your skin. And so this was great. I'm gonna start using it again when I start doing baths again. And then once I get out, I've been using this, and it's pomegranate noir body cream. Very luxurious, and that's why I like to use it after my bath. Because, like, you know, as much as I want my baths, I don't have time to do it all the time. So probably once a week I'll do it, and that's why I'll use this. But after my shower, I'll use more of the Aveeno lotion. But this is more of like a luxury and it smells so good. Love it. And then, so that's my bath products. And then right before I go to bed, I spray this on my pillow. This is just the lavender and vanilla pillow mist, and I put it on my silk pillowcase, and it helps me go to sleep, and it's really amazing. So again, talking about baths, I cannot wait to get back into my bath routine, but that's coming soon in a month after the little one comes. But anyway, that's my video on my shower and my bath products. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll probably have new products that I love after I do some research. But for now, that's what I'm using and that's what I'm loving. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like it, and comment. I would absolutely love to hear from you. It would make my day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.